Hello my peeps, I'm Z12 again with another exciting unboxing, which is my custom built MacBook Air. It's got the i7 processor, 256 SSD, my first SSD, and it has 8 gigabytes of RAM. And I bought it part of the student deal as I'm going to university this year. So let's get digging. This is the shipping box. There'll be another box inside. It was scheduled on the 12th of September to come to my house, but it came 2 days early, which is good. And there is another box. And as you can see, the MacBook logo. MacBook Air. The one thing that won me over was the design, and I have an iPad and I have a iPhone 5 as well. And what a coincidence, I get it when the press release today. So here's the side, the front, side again, and the front again. So here's the specs, if you can see that. You have to block out this information. And it's the model A1466. So I'm in the UK, so first Apple Mac from a Windows user. That there, MacBook Air. Ooh, box fart. There we have it, MacBook Air, and it's all glory. I'll just put that to the side. Things that come with it is the UK travel that is similar to the iPad. And we got the MagSafe 2 connector with another extension cord, which is the long wire. That's the extension where you can slot it, and this is the multi-watt adapter, which is you could use it in any country, just get an adapter for it. And the MagSafe 2 connector, and it magnetic attracts them into the charging port, which is good. And the boring stuff, documentation. But I get 2 auxiliaries with it. I got this is the Hello Guide, Quick Start Guide, MacBook Air Important Information Guide, your warranty card, Apple stickers, and my 2 auxiliaries are Thunderbolt 2 gigabit internet, which I need for uni, which is very useful for me, and a Thunderbolt 2 VGA, which is handy. Yeah, so this is how the accessory pack is actually more. It's more open, and it's more open to the accessories, but it's good to keep like that. And just get to the main show now. The MacBook Air. Just open this tab and open it up. Voila. First MacBook, and here's another sheet of paper. First MacBook, love it. So that's my unboxing. Peace.